What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the messenger notifications not working issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button. And then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will restart your phone, the messenger notifications will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue after restarting your phone, then open and close the messenger app 2 to 3 times. So look for the messenger app. Open the messenger app, then go to recents and close it, and do it 2 to 3 times. Now after doing this, it will fix the messenger notifications issue. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on sounds and vibration. Now here tap on do not disturb. So if you have enabled do not disturb, then it will silence all the calls and notifications on your phone. So tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button you will start receiving the messenger notifications. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try updating the messenger app. So for that, open Play Store, go to the search bar and search for messenger app. And then if you have not updated the app, then here it will show you a option of update. So tap on update, and after that the messenger notification issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the messenger notifications not working issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.